Hi, I see you're into OEM plus orange LED Euro head units as well. So my E36 came with like this Alpine that was about a C+ install from Best Buy 5 years ago. The previous owner threw in this old radio. This was actually a dealer install from about 2001. This is probably what it came with. The CD changer is still in the trunk unused. But we're here today to talk about this awesome Continental unit. So I had wanted something that goes with the BMW orange gauges for a while. I got the car about 5 years ago. Nothing was really on the market then. But this new head unit has been out for, I don't know, a year or two, popping up on Amazon, FCP Euro, ECS, that kind of stuff. It's really going to fit well with the look of the car. There's two options. There's a CD player that's about $240. I got just the Bluetooth and aux-in and phone deck for about $190. So let's see what's in the box of this Continental branded VDO Euro Orange head unit. Right. Some of the reviews, some of the older reviews said it didn't come with the wiring harness, so it's good to see that there. My BMW still has the Alpine harness from the slightly botched Best Buy job. You got your mic, manual, little removal tools, show you how to use those in a second, and what we've been waiting for. Bezel, mic plugs, auxiliary plugs. This thing's pretty cool looking, and the little chiclet buttons will feel right at home. It's also a short deck. It's a short and light deck. There's no tape player, there's no CD player. Right. Look at that. Can't wait to see it in the interior installed. So this is what's facing me body side on the BMW. The factory body side plug is no longer in there, and it's just crimped to the Alpine. This is my Jeep. This is what a correct install should look like. There is a deck to body plug jumper harness that I custom made and then put some loom on. And then this is the plug that I would use if those State College Best Buy morons hadn't molested my BMW. So in this case, I'll snip, strip, and then crimp all of the color-coded wires to the respected other color-coded wires. Okay, cool. Time to put everything together. So this metal bracket that came with the radio is kind of a tight fit. Just line up the corners. In the end, you want a tight fit. And then you see I'm pressing in the tabs to firm up against the back side of where it mounts to the car. Pressing in all those 4 tabs. And then if you did it right, this part will go very smoothly. The ISO plugs going into the back of the radio. This will just slide straight in. Snap, leaving the last part the bezel. This was a little tricky and a tight fit, but again, once it's on there, you want it tight and OE looking. I also didn't want to have to take this off. I wanted to do everything right the first time because I didn't want any pry marks or anything on all these tight fitting, nice OE looking bezels. Interesting thing about this radio is it's default to off. It's not just keyed to the ignition. Alright, let's see if it works while being careful to avoid copyright strikes. Look at that. Hope this helps with your Euro project. Enjoy.